The best way to use creatine for muscle growth. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to pack on muscle mass effortlessly, while others are stuck spinning their wheels in the gym? What if we told you there's a secret supplement that could turbocharge your gains, boost your strength, and skyrocket your muscle growth? Well, the secret is out: creatine. But here's the catch: not everyone is using it correctly. Today, we're going to reveal the best way to use creatine for maximum muscle growth, and trust me, this isn't your average creatine info. We're diving deep into the science and giving you the ultimate guide that will have you building muscle like never before. So, if you're ready to learn how to finally unlock the full potential of creatine, stay tuned. This is going to change your workout game forever. Now, let's take a moment to talk about something you've probably noticed: the overwhelming amount of conflicting advice out there on creatine. Some say take it every day, others swear by cycling it. Some claim it works only if you load it, and others say you don't need to bother. How do you know what's the best method for you? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have all the clarity you need to make creatine work its absolute best for your body. We're not just scratching the surface, we're diving into the details. And trust me, it's going to be worth your time. What is creatine? Before we dive into the best ways to use creatine, let's take a quick moment to understand what creatine is and how it works in the body. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in your muscles and brain. It plays a crucial role in energy production, especially during short bursts of intense physical activity like lifting weights or sprinting. You see, creatine helps replenish ATP, the energy currency your muscles use during high-intensity exercise. When you supplement with creatine, you're essentially giving your muscles more energy to push harder, lift heavier, and last longer. This leads to more reps, more sets, and ultimately, more gains. But here's the kicker: not all creatine supplements are created equal, and not all methods of using creatine are going to deliver the same results. So, what's the magic formula for using creatine the right way? How can you ensure that every gram of creatine you take is working in your favor to maximize muscle growth? Well, let's start with one of the most common mistakes people make when using creatine. It's that whole idea of loading creatine. A lot of people believe that to see results, they need to load up on a higher dose of creatine for the first 5 to 7 days. They think that by doing this, they'll saturate their muscles faster and see quicker results. But does it really work? Let me tell you this: while loading may help saturate your muscles a little faster, it's not necessary to get the benefits. In fact, you can skip the loading phase altogether and still see significant muscle growth. The truth is, consistency is more important than speed. The key to creatine success is simply taking it every day. That's it. It doesn't matter whether you load or not, just stay consistent. The best creatine to use. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about the type of creatine you should be using. There are several different forms out there: creatine monohydrate, creatine ethyl ester, buffered creatine, and the list goes on. But here's the deal: creatine monohydrate is still the gold standard. It's the most studied form of creatine, and research has shown time and time again that it works. Not only is it effective, but it's also cheap and widely available. Creatine monohydrate is the best bang for your buck if you're serious about muscle growth. So, skip the fancy claims of other creatine formulas and stick with the classic. Just make sure it's pure creatine monohydrate with no unnecessary additives. But wait, there's more. You might be thinking, okay, great, I've got the creatine, I know it works, and I'm going to take it every day. But when exactly should I take it for maximum effectiveness? And that's where the magic happens. Most people don't realize this, but the timing of your creatine intake can make a significant difference. We've all heard the debate about whether it's better to take creatine before or after your workout. So, let me break it down for you. The most effective time to take creatine is right after your workout. Why? Because your muscles are depleted of energy after lifting, and your body is primed to absorb nutrients, including creatine. Taking creatine post-workout, along with a high-carb meal or shake, helps to spike insulin levels, which enhances creatine absorption and drives it directly into your muscle cells. That post-workout window is crucial, and when you time it right, your body will soak up that creatine more efficiently, leading to faster recovery and better muscle growth. Creatine and hydration. Now, let's talk about something many people overlook: hydration. When you take creatine, it pulls water into your muscles, helping them swell and look fuller. But if you're not drinking enough water, this could lead to dehydration, cramps, and discomfort. So, when you're supplementing with creatine, it's crucial to stay hydrated. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, at least 3 liters, or more if you're really pushing yourself in the gym. Hydration will ensure that creatine is delivered to your muscles efficiently and that your body functions at its best. Pro tip: add a pinch of sea salt to your water to help with electrolyte balance. This can make a huge difference when you're taking creatine regularly. Here's a question for you. Have you ever heard of the creatine crash? Some people claim that they feel a sudden drop in energy levels or performance after using creatine for a while. But guess what? It's not creatine causing the problem, it's how you're using it. To avoid a creatine crash, it's important to cycle off creatine periodically. While creatine doesn't have the same withdrawal effects as some other supplements, cycling off for a couple of weeks every few months can help prevent any potential plateau or adaptation in your body. This will give your system a chance to reset, so you can go back to gaining muscle when you start again. But don't worry, the break doesn't mean you'll lose all the benefits you've gained. You'll still have creatine in your muscles even after you take a short break, so don't stress about losing everything you've worked for. Why creatine works for muscle growth. Now, let's take a deeper dive into why creatine is so effective for muscle growth. The answer lies in how creatine helps you train harder. When you supplement with creatine, you increase your muscles' energy reserves, allowing you to push through your workouts with more intensity. Think about it. If you can lift a heavier weight or do more reps than you could before, you're going to stress your muscles more, which triggers growth. More intensity equals more muscle fibers being recruited, which leads to greater hypertrophy. Creatine also plays a role in muscle repair and recovery. After an intense workout, your muscles need to recover and rebuild. Creatine helps speed up this process by replenishing energy stores and reducing muscle breakdown. So not only does it help you lift more during your workout, but it helps you recover faster afterward, which means you can hit your next workout even harder. By now, you should have a pretty solid understanding of how creatine works and the best way to use it. But there's one more thing we need to discuss: the importance of a balanced diet. Creatine is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic pill. To really see muscle growth, you need to ensure you're eating enough protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to fuel your body. Creatine will give you the energy to push harder in your workouts, but your muscles need the building blocks to grow. Make sure you're eating a balanced, nutrient-dense diet that supports your muscle-building goals. Pair your creatine supplementation with a diet rich in whole foods, and watch your body transform. So, let's quickly recap the best way to use creatine for muscle growth. Remember, consistency is key. Take creatine every day, preferably after your workout, and stay hydrated. Use creatine monohydrate, and consider cycling off every few months. And don't forget to support your creatine use with a solid diet and training program. If you follow these steps, there's no reason why you shouldn't experience massive muscle gains. Creatine is the ultimate tool for anyone serious about building muscle, and with the right approach, you'll unlock its full potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful. If you want more tips on muscle building and fitness, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. See you in the next video.